Okay, here's a video that I wanted to do for a long time, and it has to do with forcing a card, and this uses the force by the name of the Hindu Shuffle, which is my favorite force. It's not the hardest, it's not the easiest, but it's kind of easy to do if you practice it, and it really impresses the audience. So the Hindu Shuffle looks a little something like this. As I go through the cards like this, I want you to tell me when to stop. Stop right there. Go ahead and look at that card. Okay? And then if I have another spectator, I can do it again to them. Go ahead and tell me when to stop. Stop right there. Okay? Go ahead and look at that card. Remember it? All right. Completely losing them in the deck. And now I have one spectator that picked one card, one spectator that picked another card, completely different cards. And you know, obviously, what card they picked because you did the Hindu Shuffle. You knew that the first person would pick the Six of Hearts, and you knew the second person would pick the Jack of Spades. Oh, wait, that's a like and subscribe card. So if you do like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe. But of course, I did know that they would pick the Jack of Spades. And that's just a Hindu Shuffle. It's a simple force in itself. You can make it into a routine. I'm going to have a couple tricks in the future that do the Hindu Shuffle. It's really simple to do, and I'll just show you. All you're doing is you're forcing the bottom card. So you can shuffle the deck. It's a regular deck of cards. Okay? It's a completely normal deck of cards. And in this case, I forced two cards, so I can show you how to do that too. But the basics of the Hindu Shuffle is forcing one card, and it's always going to be the bottom card. So that's why you can shuffle the deck. If you have your force card on the bottom, just keep it on the bottom by shuffling those cards first. And the setup for the Hindu Shuffle. Your right hand, your right middle finger and your thumb, you're holding the deck. Your right ring finger can give you a little bit of support on the deck too. With your left hand, your left middle finger and your left thumb are grabbing the deck just so you grab the top cards of the deck, okay? And I don't really move my left hand when I do it. I mostly move my right hand and show you that's the kind of the easiest way to do it. So with the left hand, you're grabbing the top, just a little stack of cards on the top. It can be one card, it can be, 10 cards, okay? You're just grabbing a stack off the deck, and with your right hand, you're pulling back, okay? Right hand pulls back, left hand grabs just a little stack of deck off the top, a little stack of cards off the top, lets them drop in their hand. You go back with the right hand again, pinch these fingers so that just grabs a couple cards off the top, lets them drop, okay? You can square it up. The bottom card never moves, okay? Right hand goes in, pinch, right hand pulls back, those drop, okay? In, pinch, pull back, drop. Every once in a while you can square up the cards. Usually you wait until they say stop, then that's when you square them up and you show the bottom card. And that's always gonna be the Jack of Diamonds, okay? Right hand goes in, left hand pinches, right hand pulls back, left hand opens up, and those cards just drop in the left hand, okay? So it looks like this, and you're still left with the bottom card. So whenever they tell you to stop, stop, okay? Go through it one more time. 4 diamonds on the bottom. Right hand, holding the cards. Left hand pinches little stack off the top. Right hand moves back. Left hand drops those cards. Right hand moves in. Left hand holds cards, drops them. Right hand moves in, left hand holds cards, right hand pulls back, left hand drops, okay? And you just get used to doing this move. This is your practice over and over and over again. And it will get sloppy, don't worry. It makes it look better. That's always gonna be the bottom card, okay? It's called the Hindu Shuffle because it mimics kind of a shuffling routine that looks like that. That's done in a lot of other countries. It's pretty normal shuffle. So that's why it's called the Hindu Shuffle. But basically all you're doing is forcing the bottom card, and it just looks like that. You say, as I go through the cards like this, tell me when to stop, and you will do that. I still do it. Don't worry about it. I say stop. There's a card, the bottom card. Now, what I did for this trick, because I wanted to force 2 cards, I think I forced the 6 of hearts and the Jack of spades. So I had the 6 of hearts on the bottom and the Jack of spades on top. And when you have a top and bottom card and you want to just keep them there, you can shuffle, doing the bottom card first and the top card last, and that keeps it in a shuffle order. Okay, so when I first move I did, set up for the Hindu shuffle, but instead of pinching them like this, I just put my thumb on the top of the deck and just peeled off 1 card. And so that was the Jack of spades, so that'll end up in the bottom. And then I went into regular Hindu shuffle. When you do it, it's kind of unnoticeable, but you can go back and watch the video and see me do it. Okay, force that card. Now the Jack of spades is on the bottom. Then I just did the Hindu shuffle as normal. Tell me when to stop. They said stop. That's the Jack of spades. And that's how I was able to force 2 cards. So that's the Hindu shuffle. It's really neat effect. It's my favorite way of forcing cards. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I really appreciate it. Until next time.